Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Angela. I'm FIA just vocational student in Music Administration. Into this video is the exercise 5. We are going to read on a order of participants for continents. Okay. To begin, we will have drawing after copying the table. In paint, a drawing to make it easier to understand. It is this the exercise which the videos is equal okay is equal to Europa. If it's true, it will be 1, and if it is false, be 2. Will be equal America. Will be true is at 2 points, and if the false is B2 is Africa, is 3 points. Is true or false is 4 points. And the formula is if Europa, comma, semicolon, 2 points, to order if open the parenthesis is B2 is a semicolon, and if this America is to order, if this Africa is 3 or 4 points. Okay, the next thing is we are going to do after having paste on the copy the formula in Excel, and if the result we not come out, we are going to put example, like for example Oceania, and we are going to see what the formula and give is give you. And the formula is equal if B10, this the cell, the cells is equal Europa is a 1 point, a 1 order, and if B10 equal is America is a 2 order, and if B10 in Africa is a 3 or 4 order on the participate day, and Oceania is a 4 order because the Oceania Asia the participant is for position. It's Europa is a 1, America 2, Africa 3, Oceania 4, Asia 4. Okay, and is the exercise 5. So much for today's video. I hope you like for subscribe and the more videos.